Tired of members typing in your announcement channel? Here's how to lock it down so only you can post in under 60 seconds. All right, so you have that one channel. Maybe it's for server rules, maybe it's for important announcements, and no matter how many times you ask people nicely to stop typing there, they just keep doing it. It turns your clean, organized info hub into a messy chat log. I get it, it's frustrating. But here's the good news. You can fix this in less than a minute.
And you don't need to be some kind of Discord wizard to do it. Actually, this is one of the most common things I help server owners with. Once you know where the setting is, it's almost too easy. We'll right-click the channel, adjust permissions for the Everyone role, and deny Send Messages. Let's go step by step. So first, find the channel you want to make read-only. Right-click on it. A little menu pops up. Look for the option that says Edit Channel. It also has a gear icon next to it. Click that. Now your channel settings are open. On the left side, you'll see a list of tabs. Home, Overview, all that. You want to click on Permissions. This is where all the control lives. Once you're in Permissions, you'll see a section called Roles and Members. Right at the top, there should be a role called @Everyone. This is the default role that applies to every single person in your server. Click on that. Now, keep scrolling down until you see the section labeled Text Channel Permissions. This is the list of all the things people can do in the text part of your channel. Things like read messages, use emojis, mention roles. And here's the really important part. Find the one that says Send Messages. Right now, it's probably set to a green check mark, which means it's allowed. Next to it, there's a gray slash. Click that. You want it to change to the red X. That's the deny button. When it's red, you're telling Discord that the Everyone role is not allowed to send messages here anymore. Once you've checked those highlighted permissions, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen. You'll see a big blue button that says Save Changes. Click that. And that's it. So now, when you or your mods want to post an announcement, you're good. But for everyone else, that channel is now a read-only zone. It keeps things clean, it keeps things organized, and honestly, it just makes your server look a lot more professional. And here's a little tip from experience. If you want to let specific people or roles still post, like your moderators or a news team, you can add them separately in that same permission section. Just click the plus sign, add their role, and give them the green check mark for Send Messages. That way, they can post, but everyone else can only read. It's a really clean setup. So that's it. From a chaotic channel where anyone can type to a polished read-only info hub in under 60 seconds. Go ahead and lock down that announcement channel. Your server will thank you.